Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the PowerPoint mobile app and loading the presentation you'll animate. Tap the slide you want and make sure images, text boxes, and shapes are placed where animation will begin. Once done, switch to edit mode and select the object you'll animate first. This immediate selection speeds the process. Make sure your assets are not grouped unless you want them to move together. If you need to add a new shape, do it now so animations attach cleanly. You'll now add the actual animation. Tap the Animations tab, choose Add Animation, and pick Entrance, Emphasis, Exit, or Motion Path depending on the effect you want. Once added, make sure to open timing to set Start to On Tap with Previous or After Previous and adjust duration and delay. Shorter durations feel snappier on mobile. Use Preview to watch the motion, and open the Animation Order pane to reorder or group effects, so they play in the sequence you intend. Finish by previewing the full slideshow on your mobile device to confirm timing and transitions feel right. If everything looks good, export to MP4 or share via OneDrive to preserve animations across devices. Make sure to test in both portrait and landscape, and on any external displays you'll use. If an animation stutters or won't play, ungroup complex objects, simplify motion paths, or clear and reapply the effect. Reinstall the app only if playback still fails. This resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.